been very busy this morning with women all dressed in black, and some guys have arrived. I think they're police. They brought me bread. So it's time to go. It's almost light. Early start, 100 kilometers or so to Sirte, inshallah. Looks like I've got a escort. Looks like I'm not the only one sleeping in the mosque, but it did cause quite a stir, not surprisingly. I am an unusual sight. Cycling this time of day is so nice. It's beautifully cool. There's nobody else on the roads, just me and my escort vehicles. Security have just offered me a lift. It's very hard to explain that I want to do this. To them, I'm sure it seems like a chore that they can relieve me from, but I want to cycle here.
وين توا احنا وين؟
من انجلترا.
شوية بس. وين احنا توا؟
وين؟
فروم.
أنا من انجلترا.
وين توا بوغريم؟
أذهب إلى سرتي إن شاء الله.
سرت
نعم.
تفضلي مرحبتين بك.
شكرا.
مية مية.
شكرا، يوم سعيد.
بتصور شيء؟
Much tougher going today. I was expecting a side wind, but actually I think it's a bit of a headwind, and I'm obviously quite depleted from yesterday. I'm about 10 kilometers from the mosque I want to stop at, which puts me about 30 kilometers into my day. There's not going to be any water here. I don't know where this food came from. There was a bag of food placed next to me where I slept in the mosque last night. Chicken. Check where my phone is. Yeah, not here. Road's getting a bit busier now, so I'm going to see how long this side road can take me. Time to join the road. So the thing about the east-west checkpoint is Libya does not have a cohesive government right now, and my visa was issued by the Ministry of the Exterior, which presumably are in the government in Tripoli, which is in the west. So it's by no means certain that the government on the east are going to recognise this visa. Bryce, the French cyclist who came here last year, he did get through, but it took 7 hours and several phone calls. So it's by no means certain that I'm even going to get past this checkpoint. This is very slow going and very uncomfortable on my sore bum right now. Hopefully it's just a few kilometres to the east-west checkpoint now. 1 hour so far sitting in this dusty shelter of a checkpoint. Being careful not to show anything revealing. Don't know what's happening, but I'm enjoying the rest so far. 2 hours, had a little nap. Wonder what's happening. 3 hours! Some more camels. You get a lot of trucks of camels going through here. You just see their heads bobbing above the cut-off. You get 13 or 14 camels to a truck. I can't show you because it's a checkpoint.
Okay, can you turn off one?
I've crossed the checkpoint. I'm in East Libya, but I've had to put the GoPro away. There's some top secret stuff between the checkpoint and the city, I guess. Bit of a headwind, about 25 k's to go. A rough day, and I wasn't allowed to film from the checkpoint to the city. Top secret stuff happening around here. They brought me to a pretty affordable hotel. The bathroom's pretty fun. I think that's the shower in the middle, toilet and the sink. I've got to use up some of this bread that I bought. People have given me so much food that I haven't eaten the food that I bought. Oh, spicy one. My neighbours, hearing me talking on the phone, I assume, have just brought me some dinner. Amazing. There is no hospitality like Libyan hospitality.